What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So maybe like a week ago, I made a video on a play that actually made a decent move. And I wanted to talk about what it is, as well as the move that it did make, give you a little bit of an update on what has happened with it, and just talk about the overall position and where it stands. Because honestly, it's great to see any type of success, especially for people that have come across my channel and said, hey, this was the first play that I saw from you. I was looking for gems and I saw this as a gem and I decided to get into that as an investment. Others that are saying, hey, this seems like a really, really good concept. So I invested into it, made some money from it, but I'm also looking for the overall, use case to be effective. And I want to talk about this position. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel, as well as if you guys want to check out all the links for smart money, I will have that down there as well. But this honestly has been interesting, right? Because I'm always looking for these crypto gems. And crypto gems are hard to come by. Something not only that starts at like a $20 million market cap and that can grow to like a 40 or 50 or $60 million market cap. We're talking about something that starts at like a $1 million market cap and has the potential to grow to 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, and see all those different levels. And instead of you looking at, from a 20 to a 40, looking at 100x, you're looking for, sorry, not 100x, 100%, you're looking at a $1 million to $5 million, which would be a 500% return, right? So obviously you're seeing a little bit more growth there, and you also have more growth potential as it gets up to 100 million, because 20 million to 100 million is a 5x, 100 million to, or sorry, 1 million to 100 million is a 100x. So we know the level of growth that we can see with those crypto gems that start out at a very, very low market cap. So I want to talk about this position again. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. But smart money, just to kind of give you a little bit of a breakdown, I guess, again, decrypting on-chain insights with AI across multiple blockchains to trace the top traders and outperform the masses. This is what it's all about, right? Even without something like this, it's to outperform the masses. It's to do the best you can do as a trader. And honestly, if you have the ability to use AI while you're doing that, it's a no-brainer. Everybody and their mom is trying to use ChatGPT and Grok chatbot in order to predict what the market's going to do, or what a certain position's going to run to, or what positions they should buy. But if you're literally going and tracking the top traders and trying to outperform the market, outperform the masses, and you're doing it consistently based on AI, it's a no-brainer, right? I look at it as a huge net positive here. So again, you can go into their website, you can get a full breakdown and see all the different information when it comes to Telegram, when it comes to, how much is invested, the addresses, different addresses, and what their returns will be, their coin ROI, and all of those things that you can get there, right? Powerful trading solution. Smart money enables traders to capitalize on the next winners early by leveraging AI to decrypt transactions and uncover smart money. You have traders. Traders are filtered using advanced criteria to identify those with consistently high returns, fast and easy setups. The Telegram bot allows tailoring of notifications to meet user-specific needs, and advanced analytics. The algorithm analyzes the best performing tokens on a daily basis and uncovers the top traders. Again, a solid plan, a solid strategy. Everybody wants a way to be able to time the market and best the market. So if we look at how smart money has performed over the last day, 24 hours, it's up 41%, and we're seeing it at a $6 million market cap with $518,000 worth of volume. Not a crazy amount of volume, but honestly, when you look at where it stands with market cap, it's definitely on the higher side, looking at about an 8%, 9% volume to market cap ratio. All of the supplies out there, so you don't have any factor of dilution that comes into play. But the point is that you don't really need a crazy amount of volume to actually have a huge impact. Just imagine when you do have that crazier amount of volume and how far that does push it. So again, the time when we talked about it, I believe it was sitting at like a $1.2 million market cap. Don't quote me on it, but it did end up pushing very, very far. And you can see in the last 7 days, it's up 132%. In the last month, it's up 270%, down from this level, which was 9% of a penny. And then now you're seeing it up here at about 69% of a penny. Not saying 9% of a penny, but 69% of a penny. So you definitely have that ability to grow quite a bit from where we were at these lower levels. If we look at the markets that it's available on, we're seeing all of this volume virtually on just Uniswap, meaning that when you have CEXs, it's a whole nother ball game. And what's a good part of this is that they do have allocation where they have 10% of the allocation that's going toward the CEXs and 90% towards liquidity. So they're looking to launch on some of these CEXs to create a lot more volume and a lot more attention with the overall position. But I just wanted to give you a quick update on exactly what has happened, because there have been a number of people that have come through the live stream and they said, hey, Matt, I'm so glad that you put me on to smart money. And honestly, I'm not looking to just tell people, hey, buy this position. I'm not looking to tell anyone to do that. What I'm looking to do is open the door for you, right? You need someone to open the door to show you the different positions that are out there. And if you see an opportunity, if you like what it has to offer, then you go about investing into that. And it's not saying that I don't want any liability or anything like that. I just want you guys to be able to become profitable traders for the decisions that you make, rather than just following somebody else's decisions. So I'll have all of the links for Smart Money down below if you wanted to check it out, if you wanted to research it a little bit for yourself, see what it's all about, see if you'd like to invest into it. Go on Uniswap V2 and search for it and find it, see if you like it. Again, all the things that we're seeing here are leading towards positive things and towards the beginning stages of seeing an overall positive outcome. From just really focusing on getting to CEXs, seeing this much money that's flowing through the DEX side, seeing you get up to a $6 million market cap while only flowing through the DEX side. And in the last day, seeing 40+%, 41% of an increase, honestly, while the entire market is absolutely collapsing, or not really like fully collapsing, but everything is falling, and smart money seems to be moving in the right direction, right? In the positive direction for a lot of people. Let me know if you did get into this play in the beginning. I want to know how it's working for you. I want to know what you've seen within it. Let me know in the comment section below. But again, if you're new here, if you're new to seeing this position, feel free to go ahead and check it out. Links are going to be down below in the description where you can get all the information that you need. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of my links for Margex or for Patreon, feel free to check out those down below. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.